Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice. We're back out on the job site. And if you look out here, yes, our Oklahoma, and it's snowing. We actually got some good accumulation today. Not a whole lot, so we're keeping our fingers crossed that we get a snow day tomorrow. So here we've done a Seura outdoor 55-inch shade series TV, and we have our cable box here at the top. And what we did is we used Sonos Arc as our amplifier to play the speakers. So we have our pair of speakers up here, and then we have some over there on the other side of the area. So with that being said, with Sonos, you have the Arc availability that's come with a lot of receivers and sound bars and stuff. And that allows us to actually utilize the TV volume to turn up the speakers for the sound bar.
Walla and Kenny Moore II says, "You got me instead." Just reaches up one.
So you don't have to actually pull out the Sonos app no more to control Sonos volume. Yes, you still can, and then select music as well, but that's a new feature. Very cool. Stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Have a great choice day.